Looking for your next work-ready truck or trailer? Visit FBT Sales, Phoenix. At FBT Sales, we carry a wide range of pre-owned medium and heavy-duty trucks, box trucks, reefers, day cabs, and specialty trailers, all inspected, serviced, and ready to work. Financing available. All credit types welcome. Extended warranties offered. No CDL options available. Fresh off-lease units and fleet-maintained trucks. DOT inspected and clean titles. Inventory moves fast. Call today to lock in your deal. Fernando at 619-888-2228. www.fbtsales.com. You can also text or WhatsApp Fernando directly. Don't wait, your next truck is one call away.